One of the things I'm really enjoying here is just driving around and looking at all the different viewpoints. There's so many of them. There's a little road that comes along the edge with all these campsites, and just driving along and looking at all these absolutely gorgeous viewpoints. I mean, yeah, I could do this all day, and I probably will. I decided I was going to make some lentil soup for dinner tonight, so I'm going all out. I've got some mirepoix cooking right now, and that's just going to cook for like maybe 10 minutes, and when that's done, then yeah, I'll throw in some lentils and some broth and a lot of spices. So yeah, let's see how this works out. So I just put in 2 cups of broth, and with lentils, you want lentils to be 4 parts to 1 part of liquid. So I've got 2 cups of liquid, so I'm going to put half a cup of lentils in. I've added some cumin and cardamom, some turmeric, a little bit of curry powder because I just love the way it smells, and a little bit of salt, not too much because I can always add salt later. But yeah, I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to toss it in the thermal cooker for, well, at least an hour, maybe a little longer. We'll see how long it takes. It should only be able to cook for an hour, but I haven't done the thermal cooker yet, so we'll find out. No plug-ins, no electricity, no propane, no nothing. This thermal cooker will simply hold in the heat that's already there and will continue to cook for hours. So I think it really only needs to cook for about an hour. We'll check on it in an hour, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm super excited because I haven't used it for a real meal yet. I've only cooked rice in my thermal cooker, and so this is super exciting. Yay! The sun is just going down, and it's really beginning to cool off, so had to add another layer. Poured myself a cup of wine, waiting for my incredible soup to finish. I have a fire here just waiting to go. I haven't lit it. I'm gonna light it when dinner is done. So, but yeah, what a glorious evening. Oh, let's go take a look at yeah, at our view here. Let's go just have a quick look. This view right here will never get old. Oh my gosh. I can't explain this. The moon is coming up right there. It's a full moon, and it's bright at night. How can you beat this? Well, let's go see what dinner looks like, shall we? Ooh, it's still warm. It's very warm. Oh, it's cooking right along. All right, well, I did a taste test and it tastes amazing. It's so good. I love lentils. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit in there for like another 15, maybe 30 minutes. I'm gonna start the fire and yeah, let's see how it goes. This looks and smells absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. All right, let's dig in. This is delicious. It's fantastic. Everything is done just right. Man, cannot be happier with an evening like this. Beautiful. The sky is turning pink. Have a glass of wine to wash it all down.